Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Because it is festive season, सबका mood अच्छा है, तो of course सब खुशी होगी. But after a lots of shopping, festive shopping, puja shopping, we have got lots of tan, black hats, white hats, and whatnot. And these days, you know, parlors there is a long queue to do facial or to clean up. And we don't have that much time because only spending time in parlor is not the thing in this puja season. We have lots of things to do. So what we can do this cleanup facial in home as well with the help of cucumber. Yes, cucumber. So without much delay, let's get start my cucumber facial in home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload my video. Like the video if you liked it, and share it with your friend as well. And without much delay, let's get started with cucumber facial. So this facial is of only 3 steps: cleansing, scrubbing, then massaging, and then final pack. It will remove all your dead cell, your blackheads, your whiteheads. It will give you a instant glow. It will take out all the patchiness, and it will give you a refreshing feeling because the main ingredient is cucumber.
First and main ingredient is cucumber juice, which I take out with the help of this gadget. Cucumber is natural moisturizer with hydration properties. It helps to reduce fine line and wrinkles. Next one is milk. Milk is also great cleanser and have anti-aging properties. And next one is rice flour. Mix rice flour as it help in our scrubbing process. Then apply it all over your face and neck and massage it in for only 2 minutes with very gentle pressure, and then wash your face with cold water. Next step is massaging. For massaging, again the main ingredient cucumber juice, and here I'm adding few drops of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use castor oil, you can use any oil which suits and works good for your skin. Then again apply this mixture all over your face and your neck, and then with very gentle pressure just massage it in. I like tapping, then circular motion, anti-circle, and then upwards motion. I use all this technique to massage my skin. Yes, of course you can use your own technique which works good for you. And you don't know any technique, just go with circular motion, which is anti-clockwise and clockwise. Massage it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off or wipe it off with normal cold water. Final step is pack. For this again we want cucumber juice, then honey, then milk cream, then besan or gram flour, and then a pinch of turmeric. Mix it well and apply it all over your face and neck, and leave it there for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then again wash it off with cold water, and you are done. Your facial is finished.
After washing my face pack, see, till now I did not apply any moisturizer on my skin. Only I have washed my skin with plain cold water. Yes, so this is it. If you like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you